So hello everyone. Today I am unboxing my March Boxycharm base box, which is a $25 monthly subscription that comes with 5 full-size beauty items. So let's get right into that box. For the month of March, we have the Lucky theme. And on the back of the card, it has all of the items that are in the box, the prices, and then my variation, which is variation 046. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the item that I chose. This is the Murad facial cleanser. Okay, so this says AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. Multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times per week. Chemical and physical exfoliants help clear dull, dry skin and improve penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. Looks like it's around a 6.7 fluid ounce bottle and it runs for $42. Okay, so the next one looks like it's the rose water setting spray. Let's open that up. Okay, so this one is made by Maven Beauty. Set your intentions and your makeup with this oral lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. And this setting spray runs for $22. Okay, so the next one we have is a Hold and Control Clear Brow Gel. And I can't see who made that, so let's open it up and look at the pamphlet that come with it. Okay, so this is Billion Dollar Brows, that's the BBB. So Billion Dollar Brow Gel. Flake-free formula sets in seconds in a gentle hold to help your eyebrows stay in place and on point. And it runs for $18. Actually there. Okay, you can put your color on and then put that on to hold it into place. Okay, it looks like it's another lip oil made by KAB. Okay, that's pretty. So KAB lip oil, and I'm not going to open this because I have 2 lip oils that are open and I have one waiting. But KAB Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for a comfortable juicy lips all day long, and it retails for $20. And then the last one I'm so excited about. I was hoping that I received this one, and I did. So I got a pretty good box for my base and my premium actually this month. So this one is the 111 Skin, which as all Boxycharmers know, this is a very expensive brand, and it's called Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. The Contour Gel is a peptide packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep set fine line and wrinkles due to the loss of elasticity around the eyes and the lips, and it retails for $140. And that's the applicator, so I guess you would just push that along the side of your eyes and massage in a little bit, and there we go. Very excited to try that. So that is my Boxycharm base for the month of March 2021. What did you think? I'm excited about it. I think it's a really good box for $25. Actually, I don't think you can beat that price. So if you add up all the items together, it comes to a total of $242, which is a fabulous price. And that's it for, I think that's all my subscriptions for March. I do have some other items that I may be opening on later, but other than that, I'm not sure when I'll be unboxing again. So I appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and stay tuned within the next couple of weeks because I do have a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers, and I've added a few more items to it. As soon as I hit 100, I'll make a new video, and we'll get going on that. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.